Hi everyone and welcome to a new video from Craft Resin. Today we are talking about how to prepare your room for working with resin. One of the biggest influencing factors is the room temperature. This should be at least 22 degrees. If your room is not connected to the central heating, you can get one of these mobile heaters. It's very important to clean the room regularly to minimize dust. Believe me, cleaning alone will save you a lot of trouble later at work because fewer dust particles will get into the resin. Let's talk about humidity because it also has a big influence on the curing of the resin. The ideal humidity level is below 50%, the lower the better. You can check it with the help of a humidity meter. Most of them also display the temperature. If the humidity is too high, you can lower it by airing the room regularly. As resin is toxic in its liquid state and children usually do not wear respiratory protection, they should not enter the room. If possible, your workspace should therefore be a child-free space. If you take the above aspects into account, your room should now be well prepared for you to get creative with craft resin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow me on my private account, you can find me on Instagram under Edam Epoxy.